Hey YouTube, welcome to another product highlight from Medical Gear Outfitters. Got a product here that might be overlooked when you're looking through the website, but has a lot of uses and I want to talk about it for you. So this is Sensi-Wrap. So if you've ever given blood and they pull the needle out and they're getting ready to send you home, this is what they wrap around your arm to hold the bandaging in place. Oh, that was a good catch. You guys saw that. So it sticks on top of itself, so you don't really need tape to secure it. So if you have a bandage that you're trying to secure, get a little small wound, something like that, you can wrap it around the extremity, tear it, just like that, and now it's held into place. If you want to put a piece of cloth tape, little 1-inch tape over there, you can do that just fine, but it's going to hold itself together. So if you're building a splint, like you've got an arm splint, you've got the aluminum splint, like this right here, and you've built a nice splint, it looks perfect, but you want to secure it, you could use the Sensi-Wrap to secure that for you. So bandaging, splinting, lots of uses for it. It tears super easy, like you guys can see right here. Now I've got my fingers all trapped, but yeah, so you can see close up, we're good. Also, if you have a sprain or a strain on a joint, you could use this for compression to kind of stabilize that joint. Lots of uses for the Sensi-Wrap. We've got it in tan, so if you want to blend in with your arm. If we've got it in black, so if you're super tactical, we've got it in rainbow colors if that's your flavor. So we've got it in multiple different ways. This is some good items to add into your vehicle kit, home first aid kit. Your kids are doing soccer, sports, jiu-jitsu, whatever. This is a good way to stock your first aid kit. So I'll put a link down below if you're interested in purchasing this. Appreciate the support, medicalgearoutfitters.com.